iPhone charger. 4 feet short lightning cable provides a max-speed fast charge from any basic USB wall charger adapter or portable charger to your iPhone 12, 11, XR, XS, X, 8, 7, 6, 5, SE. Also works great for Apple iPad charger for Air, Pro or iPad mini. Lightning cable. Charging cables feature a durable reinforced covering for extra strength and support so you can repeatedly bend, twist and pull on the charger cables without fear of fraying or breaking. Heavy-duty connectors. iPhone charger cables feature metallic connector joints offering a strain relief design made to endure up to 15,000 lifetime bends, allowing them to withstand the rigors of everyday use and last longer than the average cable. MFI certified. Made for iPhone, iPod, iPad, Lightning cable is designed exclusively for Apple iPhone charger and approved for Apple MFI certification to ensure your new iPhone 12 is safe from overheating or short-circuiting. Lightning compatible. For Apple iPhone 12 12s Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 11 11s Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, BY, 8 8s Plus, 7 7s, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, iPad Pro, Air 1-2, Mini 1-4, 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I needed. My charger got wet and broke and I needed a new one. Found this one on sale. And in pink, which is a plus. It gets the job done. Charges my phone and it works fast. So much better than other, more expensive brands I've purchased. The length is fine, I don't need a long cord for charging at night. I definitely recommend, especially because I see chargers that are double the price that do the same thing. Affordable, works well, shipped very fast and arrived on time.